The nasal cavity filters, warms, and moistens incoming air. The pharynx is a passageway that carries air from the nose to the larynx. The larynx helps produce sound and keeps the airway open. The trachea or windpipe carries air down to the lungs. The bronchi branch off the trachea into each lung, and the bronchioles are smaller tubes that spread air throughout the lungs. The lungs are the main organs of breathing, and the alveoli are tiny sacs where oxygen enters the blood and carbon dioxide leaves.
It's just vaping, it's not even bad.
Vaping introduces harmful chemicals like nicotine and toxic particles into your lungs. These chemicals initiate and damage the alveoli, making it harder for the oxygen to pass into your blood. When you breathe it in, air travels through your nose or mouth, down the trachea, and into your lungs. Inside your lungs are tiny air sacs called alveoli. This is where oxygen enters your bloodstream and gives your body energy.
I used to go all out.
You see this? This is a harmless.
Vaping damages the lungs because its aerosol contains harmful chemicals that irritate and weaken lung tissue. It can harm the alveoli, reducing oxygen exchange, and damage the cilia, making it harder to clear out dust and germs. This leads to inflammation and mucus buildup, causing short-term effects like coughing and irritation, and long-term risks like lung damage, nicotine addiction, and conditions such as EVALI. Compared to healthy lungs, vaping-affected lungs are less efficient and more prone to disease.
I thought I had time to quit. I thought it wouldn't affect me. Not every breath is a reminder of how I was wrong.
A healthy respiratory system works by moving air in and out of the lungs efficiently. When you breathe in, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, while the intercostal muscles lift your ribs up, creating space in your chest so air flows into your lungs. This is inhalation. When you breathe out, these muscles relax, the chest space gets smaller, air is pushed out. This is exhalation. Inside the lungs, tiny air sacs called alveoli are surrounded by capillaries. Oxygen moves from the air into the blood, while carbon dioxide moves from the blood into the lungs to be exhaled. Hemoglobin in red blood cells binds to oxygen and carries it throughout the body. The lungs are very efficient because the alveoli have a large surface area and thin walls, making gas exchange fast and effective.
Vaping damages your lungs. Don't risk your breath.